Good day to you and welcome to this simple tutorial on how to convert your website into a mobile app. So be it a WordPress website or just a responsive website, you can convert it to a mobile app. But the focus of this tutorial is to actually tell you why you shouldn't. Okay, so the first free service you can use to convert your website to a mobile app is MIT App Inventor. Okay, so basically it's appinventor.mit.edu. Head over to their link. I'll leave a link in the description and click on create apps. You will be required to sign in and it brings you to this page. Basically what you need to do is to click on create new project, but then if for some reason you don't see create new project, click on my project and click on start new project. You'll be required to input the name of a project and it will show you this blank screen. Okay, good. Now what you do next is you need to add a web view to your screen, and on the left panel here the web view is the last property on the user interface. So I'm just going to drag the web view and place it on the screen. Okay, and then you see on the right that there is this properties for the web view. So basically I'm going to select the height and set the height to 100%. I'll click on OK. I'll set the width also to 100% and I'll click on OK, and I'll input the URL. So I'll just say https and blah blah, and then I'll just input. Okay, so I'm just going to input a website. So basically that's it. What you need to do now is you need to build your application. Okay, so but then this screen one, I probably should change it, so I'm just gonna change the name from screen one to something else. So I think I can do that here. So I can just see my website and see if that changes anything. So I'm not quite getting the changes I want, so I'm going to click on rename. That's not clicking as well. Okay, I see the title here. So the title here says screen one just below. Let me big up my screen a little bit. Okay, so basically to change the text here, click on the components screen one and scroll down just a little bit. Okay, so you see the title here. So I'm just going to say the name of my website, for example. So my website name. Okay, and I think that does it. So my website name. So this is fine. Now basically what you need to do now is you just need to create your APK file. Okay, so I'm going to say build and save APK file to my computer. So as you can see, it builds the APK file, and then when the build is complete it will be downloaded to my computer. Now that APK file I can upload to the Play Store. Okay, this is the first free service you can use to create a this is the first free service you can use to create an Android app from your mobile website. Okay, from your mobile responsive website. So as you can see, the APK file is downloaded to my computer. So I'm going to send it to my phone and show you what it looks like. The second option is to use a service called WP Android. So I'm just going to say wpandroid.in. So this is the service, this is the website, and apparently they have a free plan. Okay, you can convert 5 responsive websites for free. Okay, so basically what you need to do is just say try for free, and it will take you to their back end dashboard. So $0 per month, and they didn't even specify an amount for the paid version. So basically just click on register and you should be able to register. But I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so I remembered my password and I was able to log in. So basically when you log in, you just need to click on create an app. Okay, so I click on create an app, and you need to enter in the details for your app. Okay, so I'm just going to say website to app, add a package ID, app name. So package ID will be something like com dot name of your website. So example example com dot example dot app or something. Okay, then the app name, so example, and then the version, let's just say 1.0. And then if you want to incorporate Google AdMob into your app for advertising and revenue generation, just put in your code here. Okay, and if you want to be able to send push notifications, create a one signal account following the instructions. And so click on how to create it to give you the instructions, and put in your app ID here as well. Then next you need to add in your website URL, so https blah blah blah, and the instructions are there. Also you need to add in a logo, so the dimension is 512 by 512, so add in a logo and submit. When you submit, it will create an app for you and send it to your email. Okay, I don't want to go through that process now. So to basically create an app for you and send it to your email address. Okay, the APK file to your email address, just like you're able to download the APK file for MIT App Inventor, which is right here on our computer. So that APK file you can then upload to the Play Store. Okay, now, but it looks like, oh, this is a free service. Wow, I can really benefit from it. What are the drawbacks of creating a free app like this? The drawbacks is that you don't get control over your app. So for example, if you really want to, maybe tomorrow or in the future, you really get some breakthrough on whatever business you are running on your website, and you want to create a standard app. Let's say you've gathered some users, let's say about 5,000 users on the app, and then you want to create a standard app. You will not be able to do that because you don't have the certificates for the app. Okay, so you don't have access to the certificates. Now this particular service, wpandroid.in, I created an app. I reached out to them about seeing if I could get the certificate to be able to update my app, and no response. Okay, so basically that's the drawback. You'll be stuck with whatever you create with these people, and you'll be limited. Okay, so but if you want me to show you a free way that you can convert your website into a mobile app and still retain the certificate of the app, such that you can update it in the future any way you want it. In other words, you are not limited to the platform. Subscribe to my channel, um, leave a comment, and I would create a video and show you the free way you can convert your website into a mobile app. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to your comments and your subscription.